this is the portfolio that I'm so excited to showcase. So this is the profile picture, and these are all the social media links, the ways that you can connect with me. Now the landing page is also the about me section. Now the first cool feature is that if you have to check out what are the projects I've done, what communities I've been part of, what is my experience, you need to go to terminal. And then, since you do not know what comments does what, just type on help and it will list all the commands with what it does. Now you have already been to my about section. Next is experience, and it opens up my experience. Then you go back to terminal, and suppose you wanted to know what other communities I've been part of. So here it is. You can go back to terminal again, and one of the comments that I used to love, I have implemented it here as well. That is who am I? And you just get an info of mine. So the next is that you can also use the up and down arrow keys to check what are the previous comments that you have used to view my portfolio and reuse one of them. Here, the previous comments history. You can also click type exit and it closes the terminal and it goes back to the landing page. Now, the second feature is that you go to Notepad, and this is the area where if I publish a blog, it will be posted here. And this is one of the blogs that I wrote for the hackathon. You can share it, and then you can go back to this area and you can jot down anything. Suppose, hi, I am viewing Shomli portfolio. And if you just click on this save note, uh, this note will be saved in your local machine. So for that, I need to sit full screen, and here it is. And you can check it out. Hi, I'm viewing Shomli's portfolio. And the last feature is the gallery, where you can see all the pictures that I've clicked, and it also serves as a portfolio of how good of a photographer I am, maybe. So yeah, you can just click on it and it just zooms. I can just view another one. So this is it. And if you have loved any feature, do let me know in the comments. If you want me to add something, you can drop that in the comments as well. And also, I'd like to thank Hostinger for gifting a voucher and OBS Studio, which made it very easy to do all this recording. So yeah, bye bye.